Today I am going to show you some basics for the computer, desktop or laptop. So without wasting our time, let's start. The first step is if we want to change the logo for this folder or the picture for this folder. So what will we do? We will right click on the folder, go to properties, customize and change icon. From here we will choose the icon, which icon we need. Suppose this one. Press OK, apply and OK. So you can change this icon has been changed. Okay, so next trick is you can see now in our desktop all the folders and files are not in arrange mode. So we have to arrange on one place. So what will we do? We will right click on it, go to view, auto arrange icon. We will click on it so all the icon will be arranged. If you want to close this application, this window, so what will we do? We will press Alt plus F4. So this window will be closed. If we have to shut down our computer, so again we will press Alt F4, and then if you are doing some work, so it will ask you have to save it, and after that it will shut down. When you will press F4 again, it will ask you shut down or you want to restart or whatever. In the taskbar there are different programs. So if we want to remove some of the programs, suppose this one Discord I want to remove, I will right click on it and unpin from taskbar. So it will be removed. So like this we can unpin all the taskbar from our taskbar. If we want to show our friends dummy hacking, so what will we do? We will press Shift R and here we will write CMD, and we are on DOS now, and in DOS here we will write dir/s. So you can see now it looks like your computer has been hacked, and you can close it so it will finish. If you want to zoom in or zoom out your screen or your icons, so what will you do? You will go to any of the icon and you will hold the window button plus key. So the magnifier will be open, and from here you can zoom in or minus sign zoom out. If we want to bring the computer on our screen, so what will we do? We will hold the control button, window button and press O. When we will do this, the keyboard will appear on the screen and we can type to the computer keyboard. If we want to create folder with shortcut key, so we will hold the control button, shift and N. So you can see now our folder has been created.